Pakistan's economic default has been a topic of discussion for many years. The country has struggled to maintain a stable economy due to various internal and external factors. We'll delve into the causes of Pakistan's economic default, the reasons behind it, and its possible solutions. Causes of Pakistan's economic recession. 1. High levels of debt. Pakistan has been heavily reliant on loans and aid from foreign countries, resulting in an increase in its debt. This has led to a debt crisis, making it difficult for the government to manage its finances. 2. Political instability. Political instability is another major factor contributing to Pakistan's economic default. The frequent changes in government have created uncertainty and instability, discouraging foreign investors from investing in the country. 3. Inefficient tax system. Pakistan's tax system is highly inefficient, with a large percentage of the population not paying taxes. This has resulted in a decrease in government revenue and an increase in the country's debt. 4. Lack of industrialization. Pakistan's economy is heavily reliant on agriculture, with little emphasis on industrialization. This has resulted in a lack of job opportunities and low productivity, leading to a stagnant economy. 5. Energy crisis. Pakistan has been facing a severe energy crisis, resulting in frequent power outages and load shedding. This has negatively impacted businesses and industries, resulting in a decline in economic growth. Reasons for Pakistan's economic default. 1. Poor management of the economy. The government's poor management of the economy has been a major reason for Pakistan's economic default. 2. Corruption, nepotism, and lack of transparency have contributed to the mismanagement of public funds. 3. Dependence on foreign aid. Pakistan has been heavily reliant on foreign aid and loans, resulting in a debt crisis. The government has failed to implement policies that promote self-sufficiency and reduce dependence on foreign aid. 4. Weak infrastructure. Pakistan's infrastructure is weak, with inadequate roads, power supply, and communication systems. This has made it difficult for businesses to operate efficiently, resulting in a decline in economic growth. 5. Low levels of investment. Pakistan has been struggling to attract foreign investment due to political instability, corruption, and a lack of infrastructure. This has resulted in a lack of job opportunities and low productivity. 6. Inflation. Inflation has been a major contributor to Pakistan's economic default. The increase in the prices of goods and services has resulted in a decrease in the purchasing power of the people, leading to a decline in economic growth. Solutions to Pakistan's economic default. 1. Reducing dependence on foreign aid. The government should implement policies that promote self-sufficiency and reduce dependence on foreign aid. 2. Improving tax collection. The government should improve its tax collection system to increase revenue and reduce debt. 3. Promoting industrialization. The government should promote industrialization to increase job opportunities and productivity. 4. Improving infrastructure. The government should invest in infrastructure development, such as roads, power supply, and communication systems, to improve the efficiency of businesses. 5. Controlling inflation. The government should implement policies that control inflation to increase the purchasing power of the people. 6. Fighting corruption. The government should take steps to eliminate corruption and promote transparency in the management of public funds. 7. Political stability. The government should work towards political stability to create a conducive environment for foreign investment and business growth. In conclusion, Pakistan's economic default has been a result of various factors, including high debts, political instability, inefficient taxation, lack of industries, and energy crisis. The government needs to implement policies that promote self-sufficiency, improve tax collection, promote industrialization, improve infrastructure, control inflation, fight corruption, and work towards political stability to revive the country's economy.